back here with NH2 Salon. I am a virtual hairstylist and I have thick, unruly hair. And today I am going to show you an easy way to style your hair. I'm going to be using two products today, and everything that I use I also have available on my website. If you have less hair, use less product, and always start at your mids and ends and work the product through. And if you have texture and coarseness at your roots, you can put it there as well.